Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hair rollers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Conair Hot Rollers for long, medium, and short hair. The set includes 12 ceramic flocked rollers of different sizes, 4x1 to 3/4, and 8x1 1/2. This provides a variety of styling options, so you can use different rolling techniques to get the curls of various sizes and shapes. As an added benefit, the set includes a heated storage case that is ideal for styling hair at home or when you're away. With ceramic technology, the rollers heat up fast and are ready to use in 85 seconds. The rollers are thermostatically controlled, so they will turn off automatically when they reach their maximum curling temperature. There's no worry about overheating. The curlers feature an aluminum heating core, ceramic coating, and a soft flocking layer to provide gentle heat styling. Infused with ceramic technology, the rollers deliver even heat distribution, protecting your hair from heat damage and creating soft, silky curls. And the curling process is a breeze. When the optimum temperature has been reached, the indicator light will turn from red to white. Start winding the hair from ends to roots, secure with clips, and then go to the next section. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Curlformers Hair Curler Styling Kit. Excellent alternative to heat styling products that keeps your hair from getting damaged. The kit includes 40 spiral curl formers in 2 various colors, 20 pink for clockwise and 20 orange for anti-clockwise curls. Both curl directions allow for a completely natural look, making your hair look dense. Moreover, the kit contains 2 styling hooks. Threading sections of hair through the curl former may take a little practice. It's better to apply rollers on the damp hair and allow it to dry with the rollers in. This will facilitate the application process and provide long-lasting results. You can pack the curl formers in an easy-to-carry hold-all and take anywhere with you to create wonderful curls on the go. At number 3, we have the Tifara Beauty Foam Hair Roller. The flexible curling rods are long foam tubes, also called papillotes. They are made from a lightweight foam with the metal rod inside. Twist your hair around the rods and the result will exceed all your expectations. Your hair will be fluffy and wavy. The Tifara Beauty flexible rods will curl your hair effectively and, more importantly, safely without pulling or tangling it. The 42 pack includes 7 inches long rods, 6 of each size. The curling rods can be packed in an easy-to-carry hold-all and taken with you anywhere to create gorgeous curls on the go. The curling rods are color-coded, so you have a guide to choosing the right size barrel for the curls you want to create for your hairstyle. The smaller sized papillote creates smaller ringlets. At number 2, we have the Remington Compact Ceramic Dual Voltage Hot Rollers. Gorgeous hair that keeps a curly shape long is now a reality. The Remington hair rollers will help you create a head full of stunning curls. The rollers are made with ceramic and ionic conditioning that allows you to achieve perfect curls in an instant and eliminate static electricity. The negative charged ions condition and soften the hair, smooth down cuticles, intensify glossiness, and prevent tangles. The Remington rollers can be used with any hair type, and they are absolutely safe for color-treated hair. The set includes 10 rollers, 5 medium and 5 large ones. You can create thick or fine curls and experiment with a variety of curling techniques. The rollers heat up in 90 seconds and the cool touch ends protect your fingers from the heat. And finally at number 1, we have the Conair Heatless Hair Curlers. The Conair self-grip rollers, also known as velcro rollers, are definitely worth your attention. They feature gentle self-grip surface to hold your hair. A raised edge design prevents strands from slipping off the roller when it's brushed or rolled. They require no bobby pins or roller clips that can leave ridges or creases when removed. Indeed, they are ideal for creating instant volume and long-lasting hold. The package contains 31 self-grip rollers in 5 color-coded sizes: red 2 inches, green 1.5, yellow 1.25, blue 1 inch, and purple 1/2 for curls of all shapes. So, you can choose how small or big you want your curls to be and create a variety of waves and curl patterns for any length. Additionally, there's a convenient zippered bag for storage and travel. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.